Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today we'll learn twisted chain stitch. I'll teach you this twisted chain stitch in a straight line. Start at one point. Insert the needle on the left of the stitch diagonally and bring it out on the line. Wrap the thread around the needle and pull over the thread. You will see a twisted chain now. Once again, put the needle on the left of the previous stitch point and bring it out on the line diagonally. Wrap the thread around the needle and pull over the thread. You have got a twisted chain stitch. See here, insert the needle on the left of the previous stitch and bring it out diagonally on the line. Wrap the thread around the needle and pull over the thread. This slight dislocation of the needle towards the left twists the chain stitch and it looks like a ribbon. This stitch will look like a twisted ribbon, and so this is known as twisted chain stitch or twisted daisy stitch. Now insert the needle outside the chain and you can finish the stitch like this. I hope the stitch is clear for you now, and this is the back view of the stitch. Now you can compare the twisted chain stitch with ordinary chain stitch. You can see a ribbon like effect in the twisted chain stitch. If you have missed my previous videos, please click on the links given in the description box. If you like this video, share with your friends. For more embroidery stitches, please share, like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.